Hey everybody, I got a quick little electronic haul from Walmart. I'm trying to do some organization, so I picked up some things. Please stick around, check out the video, and I'll see you there. Thanks for watching. Hey everybody, so I picked up some items from Walmart. Trying to do some organization on my desk with all my Bluetooth headsets and everything, and I ran out of charging ports, so I picked up two of these black web 4-port USB 3.0 hubs with 5 gigabytes per second super speed data transfer. You can use them just by plugging them into a computer, or you can use them with the AC adapter that it comes with. They were $19.98. I picked up two of them. I got this on 4-port USB hub, compact portable design. This one does not take an actual power supply. It says USB 2.0 speed. It's not a really fast one, but I figured it might work for small things, or I need to plug a mouse or something into my laptop or whatever. Or I can just use this one. I don't know. I just picked it up just in case. I also picked up two of these on 3.5mm to USB-C audio adapter cables. Connects devices with the 3.5mm connector plug to devices with a USB-C port. This is going to be what you're going to need to use if you're getting a new Galaxy Note 10 of any kind, because they took the 3.5mm jack away. They integrated the audio 3.5mm jack into the USB-C port. So that's just a little update information, since all these huge electronic channels with 1 million or more subscribers are complaining about this, but they have no clue that you can use this adapter. And that's kind of a dig to all these tech channels that don't know anything. They got the Note 10 for review a month before the phone even released, and they couldn't figure out that it's just going to take an adapter cable to use a 3.5mm headphone. Just stupid people. Seriously. I got two of these, one for me, one for my wife, just in case if the Note 10 does not come with the cable. And maybe I'll hook this up and I'll show you guys my organization for my headsets. I have about 12 or 13 Bluetooth headsets, so stick around for that video. Thank you guys for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell notification icon for future updates, check the all button on the bell, and please go check out my Amazon affiliate links. It don't cost you anything to go shop like normal. I get a little kickback from Amazon, helps my channel out. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next video. Peace.
Yeah.